Waking up with a weird or unpleasant taste in your mouth is a common experience and can be attributed to several factors related to oral hygiene, bodily processes during sleep, and other health conditions. Here are some of the main reasons why this happens. One of the primary reasons is dry mouth, also known as xerostomia. Reduced saliva production is common during sleep, leading to a dry mouth. Saliva is crucial for washing away food particles, dead cells, and bacteria. When saliva is reduced, these substances can accumulate, leading to an unpleasant taste. Additionally, people who breathe through their mouths or snore during sleep are more likely to experience dry mouth. This can further exacerbate the accumulation of bacteria and result in a bad taste. Another significant factor is bacterial growth. During sleep, the decreased flow of saliva allows bacteria in the mouth to multiply more easily. These bacteria can produce sulfur compounds and other byproducts that contribute to bad breath, also known as halitosis, and a foul taste. The phenomenon, commonly referred to as morning breath, is largely due to this bacterial activity. The tongue, gums, and teeth provide surfaces where bacteria can thrive and produce odors. Lastly, poor oral hygiene plays a crucial role. Not brushing and flossing your teeth properly before bed can leave food particles and plaque in your mouth. These can be broken down by bacteria overnight, resulting in a bad taste. Additionally, conditions like gingivitis or periodontitis, which are forms of gum disease, can also contribute to an unpleasant taste due to inflammation and bacterial infection. Moving on to diet and lifestyle factors. Consuming certain foods and beverages, like garlic, onions, coffee, or alcohol, before bed can leave residual flavors that contribute to an unpleasant taste upon waking. Moreover, smoking tobacco can leave a persistent bad taste in the mouth, especially noticeable after waking up. Now let's talk about acid reflux. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, sometimes reaching the mouth. This can cause a sour or bitter taste, particularly noticeable after lying down and sleeping. Side effects from some medications can lead to a dry mouth or alter your taste perception, which may result in an unpleasant taste when you wake up. Common culprits include antihistamines, antidepressants, and blood pressure medications. Lack of hydration is another key factor. Not drinking enough water can cause your mouth to dry out, leading to a buildup of bacteria, which in turn can cause a bad taste. Conditions such as allergies, sinus infections, or colds can lead to mucus accumulation in the throat. This mucus buildup is a common cause of a bad taste in the mouth. To prevent or alleviate waking up with a bad taste in your mouth, consider these steps. First, maintain good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily to remove food particles and plaque. Use mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Secondly, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and especially before bed to keep your mouth moist. Thirdly, avoid certain foods and habits. Limit consumption of foods and drinks that can cause bad breath before bed and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Fourth, address underlying health issues. Treat conditions like GERD and allergies that can contribute to a bad taste in the mouth. Consult with a healthcare provider if you suspect medication side effects or other health issues are contributing to the problem. Lastly, use a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can help maintain moisture in the air, reducing the likelihood of dry mouth. By understanding and addressing these factors, you can reduce the likelihood of waking up with an unpleasant taste in your mouth and improve your overall oral health.